Today, let's learn how to upload music to Spotify if you're using an iPhone device. Now, for those who don't know, once you can actually click on the iPhone, or rather the Spotify application right here, you just can't upload anything over here. You can actually create a playlist, and you may not be able to upload stuff if you actually want to produce some music. Now, how do you actually do that if you wish to? Well, the only option for you to actually do that is to head on over and send an email to them if you want to do so. So how do you actually send an email onto a Spotify in order to for you to become a creator which produces music and basically just sends music and upload music onto Spotify? Well, all you need to do is head on over to the settings, of course, which is over here, what we did a while ago, and then scroll all the way down to the import and switch to show local files. So let's just check head on to that right here on the local files option. Click over there, and over here we have the option to actually upload local audio files. You can sync local files to this device. So while on the same network, so just click on that. No devices are currently available for syncing, but if you actually have a device available for syncing, you may now upload your local files on over here, which is basically easy because all you need to do first is to have some music downloaded on your phone, which can be found in your library over on your local file, which should be right here on the files, right here on the lower. Actually, just locate my files up. It should be right here, somewhere over there. Alright, so over here, the local file should be right here, somewhere here. But in order for you to actually upload those in here, we need to sync a device first so that we may upload files on Spotify for free. Alright, guys, that has been how to upload files on Spotify and iPhone. Please subscribe to this channel if you haven't already.